My summer vacation. This summer I will spend time relaxing and having fun. I am not going on a big trip, but I will enjoy my days at home and with my friends. I will wake up late, eat breakfast, and watch some TV in the morning. In the afternoon, I will go outside to ride my bike or take a walk in the park. Sometimes I will play soccer or basketball with my friends. On hot days, I will go to the swimming pool to cool down and have fun in the water. I also want to spend time with my family. We we will have barbecues, watch movies at home, and maybe go to the mall or eat at a restaurant. I like helping my parents with small things and home too. At night, I will listen to music, play video games, or talk with my friends online. I want to rest and enjoy the free time before school starting again. This summer will be simple, but I hope it will be fun and relaxing.